Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Most of the time I'm trying to provide you with some advice that could help you possibly, how to fix something or how to behave or what to do. This time I would like to ask you for help to solve a problem with my professional generator Honda EU22i inverter. What's the problem? The problem is it's very hard to pull start the generator. It's close to impossible. I'll show you. So I'll turn the switch into starting position, gas, and choke, and switch, and it's hard to pull. It's close to impossible. You see? And it's not starting. It's not giving a spark. I have cleaned up the carburetor, everything. The oil is like brand new. I got this generator from my friend for a very reasonable price because it doesn't work obviously, and no one knew or no one was able to figure it out what's the problem with it, whether it's an engine or it's an inverter or something else. So I know for sure it's not a carburetor, and I have ruled out some things that could possibly cause this problem, like hydrolock, recoil, start assembly, flywheel damage, piston seized up, compression release damage inside the engine. All of these options I ruled out because I have checked. You can find a video on YouTube how to check it, or with the proper description of all of these 5 options. So I'm trying to figure it out what can cause this problem. And I found out something interesting, and I'll show you now. So as you have seen, it's not possible to start it. It's very hard to pull this. So we will open the front part where the inverter module is, and there is a connection. It's a kind of a socket connection between the engine and between the inverter module. And when you disconnect this socket, then you are able to start a motor, an engine, and it works fine. But whenever you connect it back to the inverter module, it's not possible. It's behaving like this. So I'll show you now. All you have to do is to remove 4 screws, like this. One. There is another. Down below. Okay, and now on the other side. We have to use a proper Phillips screwdriver not to damage the head of the screw. Now it should be alright to open the front part. And now you can see over here is the inverter module, and here is the connection. I hope you can see it because I can't zoom in now. And whenever this socket, this connection with the cable to the engine is connected, it's not possible to start it. So what I'll do now, I will in front of you disconnect this socket. I think you have to push it a little bit or use a flat screwdriver. Push it and use a flat screwdriver to disconnect it, like this. I have disconnected. And now I'll show you that it will be possible to start the generator, hopefully. Choke is on, everything is on, and I'll try to start it. You see, it works fine now. So I can stop it. So it works perfectly fine. It's like brand new generator. It's got something over maybe 20 hours. And the oil is like brand new. It has to be changed before. But this connection between the inverter module and the socket with the wire from the engine is causing the problem. So possibly I heard something about the kind of a magnetism or magnetic field. I can't test the option what they do with the ordinary generators. The option called flashing the field, and then it will start the alternator generating the power. But I'm not sure if it's possible with the inverter modules. So I am looking for advice. Whoever can help me, I will be very glad, and it can possibly help to other people to solve this kind of problems as well. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day and good luck.